Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to show how to define a current control voltage source. For that, imagine this circuit. I'm going to use from the analog library the component H. As you can see, you have a current in this wire, and you have here right now between this point and this point a voltage. I'm going to create a simulation. I'm going to calculate the bias point because it is enough to analyze this example. I'm going to simulate, and we can see that we have here 3.333 milliamperes. It means that here I will have the same but in volts because I have a gain of 1. Just let me put here this voltage, and we can see that I have here between this point and this point 3.333 millivolts. So you can use a current control voltage source. I hope it helps, and we listen to each other in coming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.